Hey guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Design. Oh, we're Flash Custom Transfers.
Yes.
We are on Straight Outta Content's channel. Today we are pressing, we got our new transfers in.
Tonight.
We created a new logo.
Look what time it is.
So we got our transfers in. So here you go.
Ooh.
Let me roll it. I just cut them, but this is 2 sheets.
Oh.
So this is the black logo, white outline. White logo, black outline.
Ooh, they put this one real close.
You like it? So just a quick tip, if your transfer comes with your file name, this just helps us organize our orders, organize when printing. Cut that off. Do not press on your apparel. I've gotten 2 emails already saying that they ruined their apparel because they did not see the file name and they went ahead and pressed. Please pay attention to your transfers and please don't press the file name. Pretty please. Back to your regular scheduled program.
Gang, gang, gang,
This is our new logo. So right now, the other day, I think it was last week, we went live and we had 6 lucky winners of free Flash Custom Transfers merch because we got a new, what's this called? A new logo. So they're gonna get merch before we even get merch. I haven't even worn my own logo yet. So
let us know down below if you like it.
yeah.
Let us know down below in the comments if you guys like. What?
Excuse me.
Let us know in the comments down below if you guys like our new logo.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're lining it up. I go about 3 inches down from the bottom. I have my heat press at 310 for 12 seconds on cotton. So let's go ahead. And we want medium to firm press. And if you guys notice, I guess we'll show you. This is a 3X shirt. And I have these, what, at 10 or 11? 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so I have these 10 wide. Where's my little thing to wave it? Okay, so we just pressed it. We let it cool down. Ooh, pretty. So let's give it one more press for 6 to 8 seconds. Good firm press, 6. Someone asked me today, when can you wash your apparel after press? You can immediately wash it. No restrictions. So this is a 3X. So 10 wide still fits really well on a 3X. See how it's still good, big and bold. What do you think?
That is insane. I can't wait to wear that.
Looks
Oh, I can't wait to wear that.
Yeah, it looks really good on that black.
Yeah.
I see that. All right, so we have 5 more shirts we're gonna do for our lucky winners. Do you remember who they were? I know it was like
They're on my phone.
Texas something. I think
Yeah.
Phoenix Brown.
Tina.
Tina from
Hawaii.
Aloha. And I think Karen. Who else?
Now, you got a good memory. I don't have the memory, guys. So please don't be offended. Don't be mad. You guys are all in my phone right here. You guys are all in my phone right here in IG. I just haven't opened it yet.
Yes, I'm gonna be sending them out tomorrow, printing, pressing tonight, sending them out in the morning. So here we go. Remember, do not press your file name. We want a cool peel. This is just speeding up the process.
We haven't done this in forever, huh?
I did it the other day.
Oh, yeah.
Whoop.
Oh, my God. That's so gorgeous.
Yeah, those colors, they really did pop.
Yeah.
I didn't think they were going to pop that much, but it looks really good. Second press-a-roni. We just get straight to it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it.
Ain't nothing to it but to do it.
And this is a medium. So look how well 10 fits on a medium. Of course, it's going to be, you know, a little bit more of the shirt. But a lot of people ask dimensions. What is a good size to put on a medium, on a 3X? Whatever the case may be. I did 10. What did I say, 10? Yeah, I did 10 standard for all sizes. So just because it's if you want to get real technical, 10 is actually good for medium. Look how well.
Also, these are Bella Canvas shirts. So if you guys want these shirts, we will put a link in the description. We don't do any affiliates with them or anything like that. They're just an awesome store that we use here in Houston in the wholesale district. And you guys can really get great prices on your blank apparel.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man, if they only knew about the stuff that we got coming.
Oh, my
That we're working on the website, man.
And if you haven't heard, some people are just finding out that we do have a buy 10, get 2 free. So you buy 10 sheets, get 2 sheets free. They can all be different. They don't have to all be the same. And you cannot print 2 now, 2 later, 2 next week. You can't break it up like that. They all have to be printed at the same time. It just would be too overwhelming for us to keep up with things like that. So unfortunately, you gotta use them all at the same time. And also to take advantage of the buy 10, get 2 free, we offer Afterpay. So if you pay online, you can use the Afterpay. And you break up your payments into 4 payments?
Yeah.
4 payments? Yeah. So check that out. But you have to order online with Afterpay if you want to use Afterpay.
Let's get that peel.
Go.
Let's get that peel. Yeah.
Why is it blurry?
Because it's the...
You have the
that cinematic. Trying it out.
Cinematic. Oop.
Trying it out.
Weird.
Yeah.
It's not used to this.
It's not used to this anymore.
Cinematic.
I get sleepy.
So do. Put that butt to sleep.
Ain't
All right.
appropriate.
All right, so we covered our buy 2, get 10 free. We covered our Afterpay. We covered...
Come on, guys. You guys can't do this with no other company. And you know who I'm talking about.
Are you talking about...
Duplicolor?
Ew.
Duplicolor? Look at that pop. Look how it pops even through the on the paper.
That's what I'm saying. I didn't think... We did a really good job.
Come on, man. You can't be... You got to automatically know. You know what we do.
How's my hair look?
It looks good. Let me see. Yeah.
Okay, so we covered Afterpay. We covered... Stop! Oh, there was something else we want to talk about. Remember we said we were going to make a video? People calling to say...
I was going to say the...
Oh, okay. Once you submit your order online, don't forget to email us your artwork as soon as you order. And we will get to your email and the order was received. You don't have to call us and say, hey, did you get my order? Did you get your order? I reply to everyone's email the same day by the end of the night. So you will get a reply. You just got to be patient.
And don't pay with Cash App.
Do not pay through Cash App or Venmo. We only accept payment through our website or if I send you an invoice. Please, 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 please. There's just a lot of confusion and it is my job to clear everything up. It's my job to make sure that there's no confusion with our company. So I'm just trying to cover all bases and all questions that we've been receiving throughout the week. What about you? Any questions we've been receiving?
No, I can't think of anything.
That's pretty,
I was thinking about doing a 5 for 1 for the people who can't buy 10. I was thinking about it. I just got to put it on the website.
Buy 5, get 1 free?
Yeah, buy 5, get 1 free. Let's go ahead and hit it with the wham.
Buy 5, get 4,
Hit it with
1
the
free.
wham.
Buy 10, get 2 free.
Hit it with the wham. Bam.
Let's do a promo video on that.
Promo video. Why you always trying to put your hands out there, yo?
Why are you making fun of me?
Y'all saw that, right? Stop. Y'all saw that.
Because I'm trying to be serious and you're making fun of me.
You're making fun of me.
Can you believe one of these shirts are going to Hawaii? Tina, can we come to Hawaii and visit?
Your niece is about to go. Your little cousin's about to go out there.
Maloha. Yeah, 2 years.
Oh.
Maloha. I actually have another order from Hawaii right now that I'm working on. And another one from the Bermuda Islands.
What?
That's my second one from there.
Man, when we go out there, we're gonna be treated like kings. They're gonna be like, come on in.
Baby, that's
The coconuts. That's it.
don't talk like that. Why are you
They're gonna welcome us. What do you mean? I'm not making fun of them. I'm saying they're gonna welcome us.
You don't know if they talk like that.
It's their country. They have an accent. What are you talking about?
Hawaiians?
No, the Bermuda, the islands. No.
Gosh. Okay, so I also want to shout out.
Messing it up.
I also want to shout out
Messing it up.
for providing the best quality burgers.
Oh my God.
In all.
We don't want to get sponsored. I need to take my butt to the gym now because
You going?
I need to. I am. If we get sponsored by In-N-Out, I'm gonna be
All right. Anything else you want to say?
in and out of the hospital with a heart attack. Okay. Well.
Thank you guys again for all your orders. We appreciate the support. We appreciate every last one of you.
Yep.
But please do not send orders through payments through Cash App. It messes up my accounting system I have going. But we appreciate you guys, and we'll be sending these off. So we will see you next video.
And if they're crooked, you guys saw them being made by Shoes One. All right, guys, you know our slogan, be basic. That stands for, by the way, basic stands for
business.
Oh, you know it?
Business, automotive, industrial.
Industrial.
What is it?
Business, automotive, sports, investing, and creating.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah.
Basic.
Be basic.
Yeah. Peace.
Peace.